Why do we yawn, and why is it so contagious? The answer is more fascinating than you think. Yawning helps regulate brain temperature. When your brain overheats from fatigue or boredom, yawning cools it down. It's like nature's own air conditioning for your head. Scientists believe contagious yawning is linked to empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain mirrors them, like a social bond. Even some animals do it: dogs, chimps, and yes, even birds. So next time you catch a yawn, you're not just tired. You're deeply human. Like, share, and subscribe for more surprising science behind everyday things.